Hello and welcome to this video. I just wanted to announce that I've recently released a brand new white label package, and it's called Elevate Your Email Marketing with ChatGPT. So I'll be showing you in 11 videos how you can enhance and improve your email marketing using the power of ChatGPT. And because this package is completely white label, it means you can rebrand it, resell it, put your name on it, set your own price, and basically keep all the profits for yourself. So the subject lines in these videos are Introduction, Let ChatGPT Brag a Little, Create an Email Marketing Plan, Creating Email Subject Lines, What if I'm building an email list with a landing page, Ask ChatGPT for topic ideas, increase subscriber engagement, A/B split testing, promotional emails, email marketing calendar, and summing up. So when you download the package and unzip the file, you're going to be getting 11 videos. Because this package is white label, it means you can sell it yourself if you want to. So I'm giving you a sales page as well. So all you need to do is upload this sales page to your server, and this is how it's going to look. So here you just insert your name and all the graphics and the description of the product is there, and then you just insert your payment button here. So all you need to do to sell this package is to just tailor this sales page that I'm giving you, and then you'll be good to go. And as part of this package, I'm giving away some bonuses. And all of these are lead magnets that you can actually use in your own marketing business. So the first one is called 50 Email Ideas. So if you have an email list, then it's difficult sometimes to come up with ideas that you can mail out. So this report solves that issue. The second bonus, another lead magnet, and it's called the Unbreakable Rules. So in this, it shows you how to get more opens, how to get more subscribers onto your list, how to mail more often, how to boost your delivery rate, and how to adhere to the new Gmail and Yahoo rules. Now the next bonus is called 30 Unusual Ways to Build a Bigger Email List. So it reveals 30 different ways to get new subscribers in various ways that you might not have thought of before. And again, this lead magnet can be given away to build your list, and you can also sell it. All sales pages and source files are once again included. So those are the bonuses I'm giving away with this package. Now, one of the things I do in this product is I pick a particular ClickBank product and I feed ChatGPT some instructions around it, and it starts to generate me an email sequence based around that ClickBank product. So there's various topics in this package, but this is just one of them. So how much is it? Well, I'm giving you that entire package for a measly $9.97. And remember, you can rebrand this package or sell it as it is and keep all the profits. There is also an upsell in the package. It's another white label video product, and it's about how to make money with ChatGPT, and you can also sell this as your own as well and make money from it. So this is the sales page. Now this contains 9 videos, and I've also given you a 33-page book on 8 ways to make money with ChatGPT. And again, this book comes with white label rights as well, so you could rebrand it and sell it, keep 100% of the profits, or perhaps you want to use it as a bonus, put it on a membership site, something like that. So there's different ways you can use this whole package. So if this is something you're interested in and you want to try out my latest product, I've left a link in the description below. Thanks for watching.